Hi, I wanted to show you a tool called Wakelet. Wakelet is the ability to combine different types of resources all on one page to make it easy to view, easy to navigate for yourself, for students, depending on how you wanted to use it. Um, Here I have just found a couple collections that I've made copies of for my own use, so I will just click on them and show you what they look like. Um, I was doing a Wakelet webinar and they had us get on this one and kind of go through some of the resources that are here. One of the things that I thought was really interesting, they had people from all over the world on Wakelet on the same webinar, and they told us about this resource here. If you click on these, any sort of text that's on Wakelet will open up in this Microsoft Reader and it will read it to you. If you hit this play button, it will read this to you. You can click on voice settings and change the speed, male or female. Then it gets really cool. Click up here with text preferences. You can make the text larger, smaller, change the font, make the spacing smaller or larger, change the background colors. You can also go through, and it's not going to find very many things here, but you can have them go through and find nouns, adjectives, verbs, syllables, um, and then also for any foreign language speakers, you can choose a different language. So if we have our Spanish speakers, it's got the three different dialects. You can translate by word or just translate the whole document. Again, we only have 3 words here, but you get the idea. So then if we go back, we can do it for longer sections as well. Click on here. Go Danish, and it will change. You hit play, and it will play. So I just thought that was one of the most amazing features that Wakelet had to offer. Any text, it will read it to you. So anyway, so this was just a resource. I'm going to go back to Wakelet, and I want to show you how to create one. So one of the things that I thought was really interesting is how quick it and easy it is to make it really pretty using these pictures that come from their library or from your computer. They use Unsplash. I had showed a add-on through Google Slides of Unsplash that they use HD pictures that are copyright free. Just gonna pick a picture here. And it's got this header that you can change the size if you wanted to change the size or hide it completely. You can also change this background. If I go up here to settings and then click add a background image, choose from their library. Again, it's choosing from Unsplash. And these are very good quality pictures. They fit right in. You can title it. Then to start adding things onto your page, it's kind of like creating what I would think like a Twitter feed or a Instagram feed. You just add things. So here I might add text. I can paste URLs. So I'm going to go up here to my, maybe this is a slide deck that I'm going to use with my students. I'm going to get a link, go back, and I just hit paste URL, and then I'm going to paste it right in here. The one thing this I thought was kind of interesting is this isn't super pretty in itself. Um, oh, okay, got it. So you can go through and you're going to edit and you're going to say what you want it to say. So 12:08, 20 slide deck for US. And you'd write whatever class. You could then give them some written instructions. You can add an image if you want. Click done. And then you're going to hit the plus sign above or below to add the above or below content. Like I'm going to add this YouTube video. Copy. There are two ways to add videos. You can paste that URL or you can search for your YouTube video directly from Wakelet. So if you add it from here, obviously you need to go through and watch it, but you can add a video straight from here. You can hit the plus sign and paste it in. I had copied the link from the one up there. So now we have our videos in here. We can add, here's a link to a website that another teacher had put together. It's on Weebly, which is another amazing site that teachers can put together lessons and things like that. So I put together that. Let's add, I can upload a PDF. I can upload images. Upload images. I had one here. I can add things right from my Google Drive. I'd have to link my Google Drive. And then I'm right into my Google Drive. So I might add a form for the end. This is my Online Academy lunch form, but I'll just add it in to show you what it looks like. So then we have this lesson order that kids can go through. I also at the beginning could get on here and put a short Flipgrid video giving students instructions. Sign into Flipgrid. Maybe? Okay. Hi guys. So I just hit record. Say, hi guys, I would really like you to go through this Wakelet for today's lesson, blah, 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 blah. And then hit next. You can select a frame because your face is funny at the beginning. Sure, sure, that's fun. If you want to reorder, you're going to click this and you can adjust the order of the lesson. Oh, highlighting it. Maybe I want my videos at the end. Definitely want my homework or check at the end. But then you can turn that off and it's magically in the order that you wanted it to be in. Wakelet is created for users to create accounts that are 13 years and older, but if you have younger students, they can still get on without an account. What you would do is you would share this with them with the link. Here I can mark it if I have it as private, only I can see the collection. If I put it as unlisted, this is anybody with the link will be able to see the collection. So when I send the link to people, I'm going to want to mark it as unlisted, or I can mark it public if I want it to be searchable by other people. So I'm going to go ahead and click unlisted. This is where I can, if it's public, if I click this, it will allow other users to copy my collection if I wanted to share with other teachers. Or I can let them collaborate and we all can get on the same link and start editing the same document, kind of like you would a Padlet or Jamboard. Take that off. and then I'm going to go up to invite. So invite, this is where I'm going to be able to um, just put in username. This is someone that I follow. I can put in their email or username, or I can just get a link. I can create this QR code, or I can copy this link and paste it into my Google Classroom or wherever I would want to paste that. So this is again a little tutorial about Wakelet. If it's something that you're interested in using, maybe HyperDocs seem a little daunting, and then this might be a quick and easy way to make it usable for you, to make it organized in a very pretty format that is 100% free. If you would like any more information on this, feel free to reach out. If you're not interested in creating anything yourself, please still go up here to showcase or search, and you can search for things that are already created and ready for you. Like the stay-at-home STEM. This is a Wakelet somebody has put together for stay-at-home STEM activities that you can encourage your students, and you can link using their website. You can link this to your Google Classroom. You could link it to your Wakelet, and it's just got a bunch of activities here stored, ready to go for students. So again, if you have any other questions, please let me know.